Jacob Lloyd, trauma and acute care surgery. I was born in Boone, North Carolina, and I went to undergrad at North Carolina State University and got a degree in biomedical engineering. And then I went to East Carolina University for my medical degree and did my residency at the University of Tennessee College of Medicine in Chattanooga, as well as my surgical critical care fellowship. As a trauma and acute care surgeon, I provide surgical services for acutely injured patients, as well as emergency general surgery patients, anybody that has appendicitis or cholecystitis, infection of the gallbladder, or problem with their intestines or colon that may require emergency surgery. I always had an interest in caring for acutely injured patients, people that were living their daily lives and then something happened that would cause them to need to come into the hospital and need to see someone immediately, and someone who could form a pretty quick differential diagnosis and handle a very sick person. I was always drawn to the trauma surgeons in my medical education because I felt like they were intelligent people that were always ready to help and willing to help people in their most dire time of need. And so that's really why I went into trauma surgery. And then same thing from the acute care standpoint, being able to help people with an emergency general surgery problem, being able to immediately go in and fix something was something I have been drawn to and really enjoyed in my training. I inspire health by trying to practice what I preach to my patients, try to make my personal habits a part of my daily living is exercise and healthy eating, and then hopefully the patients will see that, and then also through education and trying to teach and make sure that I have medical students and residents around when we're seeing patients, so that way they understand how important education is to me, and then just by putting the patient first and listening to what they have to say and trying to provide the best care that I can. Outside of medicine, you'll find me hanging out with my wife and our two golden doodles, Oakley and Maddox. I enjoy competitive weightlifting, as well as just general fitness, and we like to cook as well. To make an appointment with me, please call the number on the webpage.